Hello everyone. I wanted to spend a few minutes today talking about how PlanStreet's inventory module can help clients both track inventory on hand, track where inventory is going, and track associated costs with items that have been distributed. To do this, PlanStreet has included inventory into our overall software case management. So I'm going to demonstrate how that can be used by our clients to track those inventories and those distributions. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to our inventory module. Here we can see we have one item currently set up in our inventory. We have a product type, we have the quantity, we have the associated cost of that, as well as if we scroll over here we can see how much is still on hand and when it was last updated. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to add another item so we can see how this works. So let's just say along with that we need the toothbrush. And again, same product category. And let's say we have 200 of those on hand, and let's say they cost $1 a piece, so we'll say $200. Then as soon as I add that in here, we can see, let me click Save. And then we can see we have 200 on hand. So now to track these items, as you go through with case management, we're going to go over to select a case. And right here we're going to look at Todd Cooper. And let's say under personal care, there's another distribution day. So we're going to go here and we're going to add distribution day. And we're going to open this activity card up. And we'll do the regular case management items of going ahead and assigning a completion day for it. But I'm going to go over here, I'm going to click on inventory. And here I'm going to add the items that were distributed to Todd. So let's say first from the drop down list we've got a toothbrush. Let's say we gave him 10 of those. And then we need add another item, and along with that we gave him toothpaste. And let's say we gave him 2 of those. So now that I've added those, you can see it's got the current stock on hand. I'll save this item. You can see that it's made an adjustment now for what's left for stock in hand for both. So now I can go down, I've closed this, and I can go down and I'm going to save this activity card so we have those items already saved. And now I'm going to go back to inventory. So now when we come down, we can see our stock on hand for our toothbrushes is down to 90. And our toothpaste is down to 83. So if I want to go in and check and see, well, who's been getting these items, I can go and click on the product item. I can see, okay, client Todd Cooper under the program of personal care for the activity of distribution day number 2 had received 10 of those at a rate of $105 and a total cost of $10.50. As you go through with your items, you'd see more and more clients stacked up here. This can be exported out to Excel or PDF in the form of a report, so you can show exactly what the costs are, who's been receiving the items, what programs they went to, and what days they went out on. So if I go back, so we've looked at this particular item, I go back to inventory. Let's go down now and look at the toothpaste, for example. And here we can see we had one distribution that was 10 items. That was done on the 20th, and that was for a total of $10.50, and that was from distribution day. And then there was a second distribution day here where we gave 2 more, and that was for a total of $2.10. And then we can see we have another one here in the middle. So you don't have to track these through the activity cards themselves. If, for example, I wanted to add something directly to this, I could just come up here and click Add. I could put donation or something in here, and you can go through and do a manual entry as well. So it doesn't have to be just through the activity cards. And again, all of these items are exportable out to Excel or PDF. So it very quickly gives you the ability to go in and see how much the quantity is, see where it was, and be able to track exactly where your inventory is going. The other handy feature within this product is as you add products into the system, it automatically generates a QR code. You can see here, well, here's one for toothbrush, here's one for toothpaste. You can use a scanner on a phone or anything else to quickly scan that and deduct inventory from your system. So whether it's you're out at an event and you're giving out to non-clients just as a goodwill, or if you're tracking services to your individual clients, the inventory module is there to help you discern where that inventory is going. You can also add inventory to the system, so as new items come in, you can put them in, you can add quantities to them and manually edit that, so you can keep up with the inventory as it goes up and down. So hopefully this has been helpful for you, and you can find use for this utility in your inventory tracking needs. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to PlanStreet. Thank you.